If the BMW M5 is not in your budget, then we have good news for you at dubizzle Cars, because right here we have a 2018 BMW M550i. Now, this thing has 462 brake horsepower thanks to a 4.4 litre V8 petrol engine with twin power turbo. It is all-wheel drive. It also has the highly desirable MPerformance kit, which adds carbon fiber all over the place, including on the wing mirrors, the side skirts, plus it also has a set of unique rims. One of the coolest features about the car is the key fob itself. Now, I'm going to lock the car to show you that the key turns on, swipe up the display, and I can see various features. I can see the car is locked, I can see if the car is okay, I can see the fuel range, I can see the temperature, and much more. Inside, the interior is plush, it's gorgeous, it's comfortable. There are all the features that you can imagine, including a rear entertainment system for your rear passengers. This car is for sale right now at dubizzle Cars.